Check out this 2007 Dodge Dakota. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, and AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.